Making a new column in Pandas based on conditions of other columns. I would like to make a new column based on an if statement that has conditionals of 2 or more other columns in a data frame. For example, column 3 equals true if column 1 is lower than 10.0 and column 2 is greater than 0.0. I have looked around and it seems that others have used the apply method with a lambda function, but I am a bit of a novice on these. I suppose I could make 2 additional columns that makes that row a 1 if the condition is met for each column, then sum the columns to check if all conditions are met, but this seems a bit inelegant. If you provide an answer with apply/lambda, let's suppose the data frame is called sample_df and the columns are col1, col2, and col3. Thanks so much.
You can use eval here for short. You can also write it without eval via df col1 is lower than 5 and df col2 is greater than 5. You may also enhance the example with np. Where to explicitly set the values for the positive and negative cases right away.
Lost sa host channel, kisundin bilahi SSI.